back to my channel. So this is day 6 of the Charlie's nail art advent calendar opening. So I'm going to jump straight into it like I have done every other day. So this is from the mixed calendar. So she had she had 2 advent calendars and she had a Christmas box as well. So I just got the calendars. So ooh, we have a foil. So these are brand new. They'll be on the website today. So this is a Santa Claus. So you all know I love a foil. So if I can open it. It's cute. So this is a blue foil. If I can open it, it will be good. So this is on a blue background, and he's very, very cute. So that is what he looks like there. There's still glitter everywhere in here from yesterday. So that is what it looks like. So what was the name of this? Santa Claus. So I will do a swatch off camera of that, and let's have a look at the glitter. So we're going to see it together. Okay, ready, go. Oh, it's a hexagon next. Ooh, or is it chunky mix? Yeah. Ooh, ooh. Lemon and lime. Look at them colours. Wow. Let me just get a glitter tray. Give me 1 second. Okay, so let's have a quick look. Oh, it's pretty. Very, very pretty. Really, really pretty. Look at that. That's such a pretty mix. It's really, really delicate looking. I like that. That would be perfect for Easter or spring. Oh, that would be absolutely perfect. Oh wow, that is so pretty. Right, so I will just swatch these off camera and I shall be right back. Okay, so I've swatched them both. I did this over a mint background, but it's really, really good coverage. This is me missing the side again. So again, that is Santa Claus, and that is the new foil, which is really, really cute. So that's the foil. So I'm trying to move it out of the way. And then this is the glitter mix. So again, it's this one. Absolutely beautiful. Where is my top coat? So let's do the top coating. Wow. That is beautiful. Really, really is beautiful. Wow. That is stunning. Look at that. Wow. That is beautiful. So again, that is lemon and lime. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Okay, let me just kill that. So yeah, there you have it. This is today's new items, and I will have pictures at the end. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Do you think they're pretty? I think they are. They're really, really nice. So yeah, as I've said in all my videos, don't forget, if you place an order from Charlie's, don't forget my discount code, and all these products will be available on the website. So let me know your thoughts down below. Absolutely stunning. Wow, I love them both. Okay, I will post pictures at the end, and yeah, hopefully you'll join me tomorrow. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.